Hello guys, my name is Otea Isaiah Okibe and welcome to AgroTeller Show. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. You ask me how do I keep my farm healthy? First of all, you clean it. And cleaning does not just mean you taking the poo out. You have to wash it at least once in a week, and then the nipple drinkers, you clean it at least once a month. You loosen it, clean it and turn it around, replace it back. And also, another step to keeping your farm very healthy is by isolating any weak or sick pig or piglet. The moment you notice your pig or piglet, or even so, being very weak, what you do is to isolate it from the rest of the herd. It's very important. And this is so because in case there's an outbreak, you can at least curtail or contain such an outbreak. And what most of you don't understand is containing an outbreak does not just mean you're isolating it. It means each time you leave that sick pig or piglet, you have to wash your hand, wash your legs, wash everything before entering another pen. This is very important. Another point is, do not let everyone into the farm, especially other farm owners. It's important that they observe biosecurity measures like washing their hands, using disinfectants in order to prevent a transfer of disease from another farm to your farm. In conclusion, what I'm saying is, be hygienic, keep your farm very clean, be deliberate about your farm hygiene, okay? And by this way, you cut your chances of contracting any diseases or getting an infection from an outsider by up to 50%. Thank you, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video, and I'll see you next time. There are lots of opportunities, possibilities. And how do you go about them? You only go about them by deliberate actions. Be intentional about your space, your feeding plan, your vaccination plan, your hygiene plan. And how do you get more knowledge on this? It's not just by going on Google and searching this and that about pig farming. You go to a professional who actually has an experience in this kind of stuff you're doing. And Agric Minds, AgroTeller, this channel you're following, we actually have over 10 years of experience when it comes to agriculture, and would like you to also benefit from this. One stream of income is not enough, 2 is not enough, 3 is not too much. Why not add pig farming to it and make money, make money, make more money, make lots of money, and make loads of money from pig farming? I don't know what your plan is, but that is my plan. And I want you to be intentional about your plan. It's not just about writing your New Year resolutions and what you intend to do. Make plans and take actions on it. Follow these channels for more if you really want to actualize your pig farming dream. And I promise to take you on a stress-free journey on pig farming, and we can both harvest and share our testimonies at the end of the year. What I'd like you to do is, if you have a topic, any questions, feel free to drop it in the comment section, and in our next session I'll try and to answer your questions, and our contact is there. If you want to reach us, feel free to drop us a message. Don't forget to turn on the notification button so you can get notified whenever I drop a new video.